My name is Knipscheer. I'm the Executive Director at the European Co-Packers Association, and this is my first time at PHARMAP, so I'm pretty impressed by the event so far. The European Co-Packers Association, or ECPA, are a non-for-profit organization helping European co-packers and co-manufacturers to come from below the radar and help them with questions that they have. When Anastasia contacted me for the first time, the proposal that she had and the information that she gave about PHARMAP was compelling enough to check this one out, because, like I said, it's the first time I've been here. I've been to several congresses already this year, and also to lots of pharmaceutical conferences, but I wanted to try this one and see how this was. Very good, simple, very good. As you would expect it, as you would hope for with other organizations. I was quite surprised by the number of people from the organization walking around, literally connecting you to other people. That was a model I've not seen before. But the conference with tabletops there in the back is nothing new, but the fact that there's so many people walking around connecting you and bringing you to people who acquired after you, that was quite interesting.